we go. Walking with Murphy. In the rain. Yeah. I mean, it's not really rain. It's more like why Snoop would carry an umbrella. For drizzle. Stupid. Oh, this is really kind of gross. Yay. That's nice. It's pretty much, I picked a horrible spot to take in for a walk. It's been raining all night. It rains pretty hard. When it does rain in the desert. And now we're walking on mud. The red dirt is now red mud. Sweet. Whoop. Bathroom break. And we're back. Or if you want to chase some ducks. Wow, water's really high up. It was almost all the way out to those trees. Because they were taking the water to help with the wildfires in California. But it's back. Just in time for swimming. Because it's going to be 100 degrees here soon. Surprised nobody's here fishing. Oh. Thinking about it, aren't you, Murphy? Wow, this one's really freaked out. This place has turned into like one of my favorite places, really, that I've been to in the world. This is a little Quail Creek here. It's not always this quiet, but it's very rarely super busy. I mean, it's just a great spot. And pretty soon it's going to be my go-to spot for swimming with Murphy. That's right. So I'm sure everyone's looking forward to that. I know I am. Well, bathroom break. And we're back. But that's pretty much it. Walking with Murphy in the rain. Say goodbye, Murphy. See you next time. Walking with Murphy. Yeah.